Ever wondered why your videos don't get clicks even though your content is amazing? It's not your video, it's your thumbnail. In this video, I'll reveal 5 powerful thumbnail secrets that top YouTubers use to make people click instantly, and you can copy them today. Your thumbnail is the first impression. It decides whether people will watch your video or scroll away. If your thumbnail doesn't stop the scroll, you're losing thousands of views. So let's fix that right now. Point 1. Make faces big and emotional. Look at any viral video. Big face, strong emotion, shock, happiness, fear. These emotions grab attention instantly. Your thumbnail should speak even without a title. Remember, expression equals attraction. Point 2. Use contrast and bright colors. Bright colors like yellow, red, and blue pop out in YouTube's dark background. Use high contrast, dark background, light text, or the opposite. Make your main subject stand out instantly. Point 3. Add curiosity, not clutter. Don't fill your thumbnail with too much text or images. Instead, create mystery. For example, instead of writing, "I made $1,000 online," just write $1,000 and show your shocked face. That makes viewers curious to click. Point 4. Consistency builds brand. Keep your thumbnail style similar. Same fonts, same color palette, and maybe even your face placement. When viewers recognize your style, your click-through rate, CTR, goes up because they trust your content. Point 5. Test and analyze. YouTube gives you CTR data in analytics. If your CTR is below 5%, change your thumbnail. Try A/B testing using tools like TubeBuddy or vidIQ. Test 2 designs and keep the one that performs better. Bonus secret. Here's something most creators ignore. Text positioning. Always place text on the left side. That's where people's eyes go first when scrolling on. Now you know the secrets that big YouTubers use to grab millions of views. So, before uploading your next video, design your thumbnail like a movie poster, and trust me, your clicks will explode. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll reveal more YouTube growth hacks in my next video.